Located at the newly opened Drury Plaza Hotel at Disney Springs, this is the 2-queen-bed Deluxe with Terrace. Some rooms offer views of Disney Springs, Epcot, and far-off views of Magic Kingdom Park. The Deluxe room features 2 queen beds, a seating area, and a terrace with partial nightly views of fireworks. In-room amenities include free Wi-Fi, a TV, microwave, refrigerator, coffee maker, iron and ironing board, and hairdryer. All guests at this hotel will also be offered a free breakfast buffet and up to 3 free alcoholic beverages per 21+ adults per day during select evening hours. Alongside this, the Drury Plaza Hotel offers the same early theme park entry that Disney's own hotels offer. This hotel has bus transportation to all the Disney theme parks. It is within walking distance to Disney Springs, and in the hotel lobby, guests can expect 24-hour free coffee as well as a marketplace and bar area. The resort hotel's pool is saltwater, not chlorine-based. To reiterate, 2 queen beds, a terrace, a free breakfast buffet, bus transportation, free alcohol and coffee, and a pool with firework views. All of this for the price of Disney's current value resorts like Disney's Pop Century Resort. Prices are subject to change. Head to druryhotels.com to see current pricing.